Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Ethereum Classic price prediction and Ethereum Classic news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Ethereum Classic in 2022. Ethereum Classic is a hard fork of Ethereum that launched in July 2016. Its main function is as a smart contract network, with the ability to host and support decentralized applications. Its native token is Ethereum Classic. Since its launch, Ethereum Classic has sought to differentiate itself from Ethereum, with the two networks' technical roadmap diverging further and further from each other with time. Ethereum Classic first set out to preserve the integrity of the existing Ethereum blockchain after a major hacking event led to the theft of 3,600,000 Ethereum. Ethereum Classic steadily withdrew in a descending channel for nearly 16 weeks. The 20 EMA assumed a strong resistance until the bulls flipped it to support on the 4th of February. From here on, a convincing close above the $32.80 mark would prepare etc. for a retest at the $34.80 level. If the buyers continue to build up pressure at its immediate resistance, a retest near its 3-month point of control would be likely before a slight pullback. At press time, etc. was trading at $32.60, up by 1% in the last 24 hours. The down channel retracement saw a nearly 66.9% fall as it snapped off multiple price points. For instance, the bears flipped the $35 mark point of control from support to resistance. However, etc. noted an over 74% ROI from its 9-month low on the 22nd of January as it flipped the 50 EMA to its immediate support. But, it struggled to topple the $34 mark as it formed a bearish divergence with its RSI. Now, the buyers exerted sustained pressure and have tested the $32 mark resistance twice in the last 3 days. This level has offered the highest liquidity after its 3-month point of control, thus making it difficult for the bulls to initiate a swift recovery. Any close above this level would propel a $34 retest. Should the buyers lose their vigor, the 50 EMA would provide testing support in the near term. The RSI has maintained itself above the half-line and showed healthy revival signs after the bearish divergence. It respected the bullish trendline support in its upward trajectory. Also, the supertrend finally entered into a green zone after nearly 11 weeks. If the MACD enters into a tight phase, a further clash between the buyers and sellers at this level could be expected. So far, etc. has depicted a healthy reversal as it sustained above the 20 EMA for the past 11 days. Also, the current trading price was near its EMAs, hinting at higher chances of a movement in the current trend. Considering the confluence between these factors and a possible close above the $32 level resistance, a retest of the $35 zone could be conceivable. Besides, the broader market sentiment in the on-chain developments would play a vital role in influencing future movements. Litecoin's previous rally saw a 49.3% ROI from its 13-month low on the 22nd of January that halted at the $143 mark. This level was near the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. Having an over 90% correlation with Bitcoin, Lieutenant Colonel followed the King coin's trajectory over the last few days. It lost over 13% of its value in just the last 4 days. Now, the immediate resistance stood near $128 while the bears tested the $123 support multiple times in the past 2 days. At press time, Lieutenant Colonel traded at $124.80. The RSI crossed the 39 mark resistance but continued to sway below the equilibrium. It needed to find a close above its midline to reignite the recovery chances. Nevertheless, the CMF closed above the zero line and depicted a bullish edge. Since FTM reversed from the $3.30 level, the bears have exerted constant pressure. Consequently, it hit its 1-month low on the 24th of January. Since then, the alt was range-bound between the $2.50 and $1.09 mark until the recent retracement led the bears to breach the $1.90 mark. FTM registered an over 22% loss in just the last 6 days. Now, it becomes vital for the buyers to reclaim the aforestated mark that coincided with the upper trendline of the down channel. At press time, FTM traded at $1.87. The RSI saw a rapid downfall towards the oversold region. Now, it found support at the 30 mark while facing a hurdle at its upper trendline. Moreover, the DMI skewed in favor of sellers and reaffirmed the previous analysis. As the sell-off phase initiated, Etc. lost 39.98% and touched its 9-month low on the 22nd of January. However, since then, the altcoin has registered a staggering 76.2% ROI and poked above the $36 resistance. Since then, it saw a 16% pullback in the last 3 days while the bears flipped the $33 mark from support to immediate resistance. Of writing. Its market capitalization is currently around $6.9 billion, and its 24-hour trading volume is $3 billion. The price of Ethereum Classic falls for the 4th day in a row as prices for other crypto assets recover. At the time of writing, Ethereum Classic has fallen to $59.90, which is about 72% below the annual maximum. Despite this, the crypto asset recorded a positive price movement during today's early trading session. A few weeks ago, Etc. witnessed a huge price increase that reached impressive price regions. This was due to the fact that retail investors rushed to buy the coin when the leading Ethereum coin was growing to its historical maximum of about $4,000. The Ethereum coin plays an important role in the lifetime of Ethereum Classic, as it is considered a replacement for a relatively expensive token. Despite this correlation, the depreciation of Etc. was more noticeable than that of ETH. The losses of Ethereum Classic increased dramatically overnight when market participants raised questions about the security and confidentiality of virtual currencies. This was after the FBI managed to get the cryptocurrency out of the Colonial Pipeline scandal. In the period from June 24th to June 6th, the price of Etc. fell by 9%. Fortunately, the steady decline in prices could not overcome the 79% Fibonacci retracement level at $49. The crypto coin recorded a rapid price reversal from the swing low of $49.50, pushing it up by 33% to the level of $60.10, where it is currently trading. According to the 24-hour chart of Ethereum Classic, its price movement managed to overcome the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $61.70 before returning to where it is currently trading. If the crypto coin manages to close the day above the 12-hour candle, the ongoing price consolidation will disappear to set the stage for a rally. In this case, traders should expect that the bullish growth of Ethereum Classic will break through the swing lows to $72. Looking back, we can say that this growth will be 15% higher than its current purchase price. Since the uptrend is not limited, the growth of Ethereum Classic may try to bypass its recent high of $79.12 to settle in the price range of $83. This will be an extreme case of bullish movement. On the contrary, if Etc. fails to stay afloat at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $62, a bearish trend will appear. Such a movement will indicate increased pressure from sellers or weak buying activity.